Demand integrity from yourself. The truth is that you can't demand integrity from someone else when you can give integrity. This is an important life tips, and it applies to our everyday lives. Hi, my name is Abel, and here I am sharing with you top secrets of achievers all over the world. I am referring to achievers in business, career, in relationships, just name it. Integrity is a key aspect of the success of great people like that and great institutions all around the world. Integrity is like loyalty. You can't demand it of someone else. You can only demand it of yourself by being the best example of loyalty. And once people notice it, you will begin to get some loyal followers. People are endeared to integrity, even though a lot of people don't have it. No one wants to be cheated. No one wants to be stolen from. No one wants to lose anything to anyone by a crooked way. People try as much as possible each day of their lives to guide what they have because they know that trust has been lost. People will take away from you when they know you have no eyes on what belongs to you. It takes only integrity to escape this challenge in a world filled with atrocities. So, for achievers to attract followers who will trust them with their whole life, including their resources, they must show an exceptional level of integrity. Talking about business, career, and relationships, especially. Now, you must know this truth, that you need people around you. You need loyal followers. You need fans. And for this set of people to be with you, they must see integrity. As a business owner, while considering your values, it is always important to ensure that integrity forms a big part of it, or else you will never grow. In relationship, show integrity. In your career, show integrity. In family life, show integrity. Whatever it is you're doing, you must know that people are watching you, and over time, your integrity is what will convince them to follow you. This is one of the greatest keys of high achievers, a top secret that you must know. And by the way, what is integrity? It is simply being truthful in all that you do. It is being real. It is being committed to the things you say, showing it, not telling it. When you show integrity, people will respect you for who you are. There is no better way to express integrity than being the person that says it as it is. Not for fear or favor. Be the best example of integrity, and you will have people surround you that have integrity. Your own job will be to lead the way. So we must learn to express utmost integrity in all that we do so that we can be great in anything we set out to achieve in life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Be great, nothing else pays.